How to delete Walmart account. So if you want to delete or maybe close your Walmart account, it's actually quite simple to do. All you have to do is simply go to walmart.com, and this is the kind of interface that you will see, right? Then once you go to walmart.com over here, you can click on the profile icon from the top right, then simply go to account. Now when we go to account here under services or wherever else, you can see no matter where you go, there is no option to actually delete your account. So what you have to do over here is to delete your account. Even if you go to personal info or this little, let's say, other options here, like let's say privacy, you can see there's no option to delete it. So you have to go to help section. From the bottom left, you can see customer service, and we have to contact customer service to delete my account. So in this help topic page, I'll simply search for delete account here, and or I will simply search for, let's say, close my account, right? So once we've gone ahead and then search for that, you will see all these sorts of options, and here you can see these options. Now under account and payment, you can see all these options like create or edit an account or anything like that, and after that you can simply scroll down. You can see didn't find what you were looking for, chat with us. So we'll click on chat with us and we will talk to a Walmart representative, and once we talk to a Walmart representative, then we will be able to tell them that we want to delete our account, and they'll be able to do it for us. So hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.